Good morning. So today what you're going to do is you are going to be finding the absolute value, which should be really simple, which is why I didn't make the digital notebook mandatory, because a lot of you won't need to really actually show your work. And so here you need to make sure that today is a little bit different. You need a score of 80 to complete the skill, okay? Because this is pretty simple, so most of you could get a score of 80 for sure. So at the bottom, you'll see the link right here. You're gonna go ahead and click that link, and it's gonna lead you to these examples. And so what it's gonna ask you to do is it's gonna say, this number line shows a point at 5. What is its distance from 0? And so if we look at 5, its distance from 0 is obviously 5. Which means, what is the absolute value of 5? It's 5. So the absolute value is always a number's distance from 0. It's that simple. Okay, so here, if you have this number line shows a point at -9, if I look at -9 and its distance from 0, I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So its distance from 0 is 9, which means the absolute value of -9 is 9. So it's always basically, regardless, the absolute value is always a positive number. So anytime it asks you what's the absolute value of a negative number, it's just the positive version of that number. So these will always be the same regardless. So the distance of -12 from 0 will be 12. You don't put -12, it's 12, which means the absolute value is 12. So you'll notice that these will always be the same answer. So you're just going to keep doing that until you get to 80. It should be fairly simple.